What's up, guys? Scott Brown here, Construction Technology Partners. I had a comment on another video about a programming cable that I use for Winflash for programming Trimble SNR radios. I was going to comment back on it, but I figured I'd just make a quick video, it'd be a little easier to follow along with. So what I got here on the table is the setup that I use. So I'm just going to run through this, and I'll post links to all these cables and all these items in the description, and I'll try to get a link to the Winflash download that I use as well. So the first cable, most important one that we got here, this is a 70406-D cable. Buy these from Brett Dawson over there at Western States Cable. If you guys are needing something, anything built, get a hold of Brett. He can pretty much make anything. Does really nice quality. You can see here, we got the mil spec connector on there, 2-pin Deutz, and then a serial port. The reason I use this cable is because the main reason I have all this stuff is putting Trimble radios on Topcon machines in our Hemisphere product. So this way I always have this is the cable I need to install one on an MCR3, and I can use it on Hemisphere as well, but this way I always have a cable with me if I need to install a radio. I have that, and as well as program it, so kind of double duty. And then if I end up installing that, I can just order another cable or grab one off the shelf and put my kit back together. So I've got my 70406D off Western States. The other item I got here is this is just a 12 volt 60 watt power inverter. We got the wall plug, and then all I do here is it comes with just a red and black strip wire. So one thing you'll have to do with this is check your harness and make sure that your powers match up. But if you go by that right there, red is hot, black is your ground. So that'll plug into there. That'll give us the power we need to power up the radio. Then the other two cables I have, one of these is unnecessary, but I'll tell you why in just a second. If you look, we have this female serial connector here, and I use this serial to USB to connect to my computer. As you can see, this is also female. You could very easily get a male to USB, but I've had this connector forever. I carry enough cables and stuff to keep track of. I just didn't want to get one more cable. So I had like 7 of these laying around, so I just use it's just a male to male serial. So I use this. You don't have to if you get the correct adapter there. So with all that, we get our power from the wall, we get our ability to program through this, we get our connection to our radio through this. And then I've got another video up on YouTube that shows you the settings and what you need to do to program your radio. But I'll get the links to all this stuff in the description. If you guys got any questions, leave a comment. Be sure to like and subscribe. Appreciate it. Thanks.